Hello. So in this problem here, we have to use a Punnett square. So first, it states that green color is going to be big G, and little g is going to be the albino phenotype. So you're going to cross two plants that are heterozygous. So firstly, heterozygous means that they have one of each. So it would be one plant would have big G, little g, and then the other plant would also have big G, little g. So when you cross this, it would look something like this. Big G, little g. So let's say that's the male plant. Big G, little g. So let's say that's the female plant. And what you would do is you would draw some sort of square like this. Okay, so for the offspring, one offspring, they could get this big G from one parent and this big G from another parent, so big G, or they can get big G, little g, or they can get big G, little g, or they can get a little g. So now, there's the key terms in this these type of problems. There's something called genotypes. So genotypes are what ratios you actually get. So in this case, it'd be 1 GG to 2 big G, little g to 1 little g. But that's not what the question is asking. It's asking for phenotype. Phenotype is what you can actually see. So in this case, it says that big G is dominant to albino. So you are going to get, so if it's big G, it means that you're going to get the color green. So this one would be green, this one would be green, and this one would also be green. And only the little g will be albino. Therefore, it's going to be 3 green to 1 albino. And this is the phenotypic ratio of these plants. So once again, phenotype is what you actually see. Genotype is what's going on in the genes.